So if you want to remove background noise from a video or an audio file using VSDC, then you're going to use the Gate function. It is simple. Download your VSDC and create a blank file. So we are going to call this file how to remove video background noise using VSDC. So VSDC is a free video editor. We have done several videos on this application that can help you edit your videos and make them look better, or maybe at least appear better on your platform. So we'll tap finish here and add an object, an already created video from old files. So I'm just going to pick let me do this, add that. Save verification. So if the video is going to load, then I want us to compare the difference between the video before adding the feature and after adding the feature. So to add this feature, you must make sure your video is highlighted. Then you go to the editor and go to audio effects. You're going to go down to filters and then you apply the gate. But before that, let's try and preview this.
To set up two-step verification for your Instagram account, you'll have to open your Instagram application on your Android.
So you'll notice that there is some form of noise in the form of vacuum. I didn't mean noise from people talking or that kind of noise, but the noise that comes from maybe a room or maybe the kind of microphone that you're using or the wind. So let's drag this to the beginning and now apply the gate function like we said from that there. Then we apply the gate function. So we're going to just start it and say hold parent duration. So it starts from the beginning of your scene. If you have different scenes, then it will be different because you'll have to apply it on each scene separately or each piece separately. So if I apply that and then try play.
To set up two-step verification for your Instagram account, you'll have to open your Instagram application on your.
So you'll notice that now there is no that background noise, but some portions of your video will appear to be maybe trimmed off, up, down. You'll have highs and lows. So that makes it important that you make sure that you record your video using a clear microphone so that some portions of it don't appear inaudible in some way. So I want to try that again. So play this with
to set up two-step verification for your Instagram.
You notice that the noise is not there, but if I delete this and just preview
account, you'll have to open your Instagram app.
You notice that effect, there is that noise that you can hear from that part. Let's undo that and have the gate function back so we can see how that feature was. Now you'll notice that the noise
on your
is
Android or iOS device,
but some part of it is not high. So that's how you use the gate function to edit your videos and remove that background noise. Remember, this is a free video editor and you upload your videos without any watermarks. If you've not watched the entire tutorial on how to use this application, there is a link in the description or the pop-up.